Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial video, and today we're going to solve a new problem where we're dealing with dictionaries. Now we have been told to merge two dictionaries and create a new one. If we see the samples, there are dictionary 1 and dictionary 2, and it has some different values in it. Now we're going to create a new dictionary and we're going to merge these two. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, so you can see here that we have taken the two dictionaries here, and since we are going to create a new dictionary, we are going to take a dictionary dic3 and we're going to copy the dictionary 1, and then we're going to update dictionary 2 in that new dictionary. If we wanted to keep a single dictionary, let's say if we didn't wanted to take a new dictionary, if we wanted to merge the two dictionary in either of these two dictionaries, then we would have taken dictionary 1 or dictionary 2, and then we would have updated the another dictionary in it. So this is a very simple code. Hope you guys understand it. If you like the video, do like and subscribe, and if you have any problems, do comment down below. Thank you.